Try making this festive spiced pain au chocolat pudding. Slice pain au chocolat into 3 pieces horizontally and then put them into a greased baking dish. Now we're going to make a sweet vanilla custard to pour over the top. Now we're going to break some eggs into a large mixing bowl and whisk them together before adding in some cream and some milk and then whisking in some sugar. We're going to add spices next, so put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then grate some nutmeg into the sweet custard. Whisk that all in and then take your baking dish with the pain au chocolat and pour the custard all over the top. This needs to completely soak in, so put it into the fridge for a couple of hours. Now make a cinnamon sugar by grinding together brown sugar and cinnamon. Bake the pain au chocolat pudding in the oven for half an hour before taking out, spreading some butter over the top, sprinkling over the cinnamon sugar and finishing off for 10 more minutes. Serve it warm, fresh out of the oven with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. If you like, you can add a sprinkle more cinnamon and a little bit of cream. The full recipe is linked in the description below. Enjoy!